And we have Intelligent here. You're the hip-hop vegan. That's what everyone knows you as.
Yeah. That's right. Hip-hop head since 1988. Vegan since 2000. I edited books written by rappers, published by rappers. My book was featured on Love and Hip Hop. I live and breathe hip-hop.
So what's up, everybody? Shanna G here. Award-winning model since 2006. Vegan since 2018. Featured in fashion shows and commercials, inside magazines and on the cover of magazines, and I've even been written about in an anthology.
We've been together for 5 years.
Bonded through our love for entrepreneurship, health, and entertainment.
I'm a graphic designer for my company, Koozie Arts.
And together we own Uswear, a clothing line that empowers people through fashion.
We're a vegan couple handling business and interviewing business owners.
So watch us prepare vegan food and review vegan restaurants.
And catch us entertaining ourselves through the arts, music, and other activities.
Welcome to Vegan Biz.
Peace. This Intelligent, the hip-hop vegan, coming live from Vegan Biz.
Shanna G.
And we're gonna bring y'all a recipe today, actually 2 recipes. Something that I love to do and something that she loves to do, because we get a lot of questions. People see us throughout the streets of Atlanta. We might be in Seven Ander. We might be at some different vegan restaurant, and we get to talking, and it goes beyond what we picking up in the store or what we eating in a restaurant. People want to know what you do at home, and it's always more healthier at home. You got total control. You know what's going into your food. So, here's a simple recipe. For me, I'm going to give y'all the hip-hop vegan cauliflower wing. And why I say the hip-hop vegan cauliflower wing? Because hip-hop is everything to me, and food is everything to me on another level. Nah, but for real though, hip-hop is something that gives you energy, and food gives you energy. So that's why this is the hip-hop cauliflower wing. And the cauliflower is something that's high in manganese, it's high in vitamin K. So those different vitamins and nutrients that we need to get us through the day and keep us moving. So I'm gonna give you that, and Shannon G gonna drop something for y'all too.
So I have a salad that I'm making for you guys, and I call it the runway salad. And I call it the runway salad because I'm a very experienced model. I've been modeling for 12 years, and it's something that I really enjoy, and that's what I call my salad. The salad is going to include baby spinach. I really like spinach. You could put in the salad whatever you like, but it's going to include other vegetables that I really like to eat on a regular basis too. And then I top it off with a side of hummus. Instead of using dressing, I use hummus. Yeah, and it tastes good with the hummus. So you will see it.
That's right. You're going to get it live today. We're not going to give you all the specific measurements because we're not here to walk you inch by inch through it. Cooking is about adding your own flavor to it. It's 10 million people that did cauliflower wings, 20 million people that did salads. They sell them in restaurants. They doing them at home. But what we're going to do is just give y'all the basics, the fundamental, because knowledge is the foundation, and so that's what we're doing. We take it from there. We're going to give you all of the ingredients, a little bit of the cooking, and you take it from there. Peace. How do we get from raw cauliflower to this? So the first thing we're gonna need to do is get our batter together. I don't know what you use. I got a little special mixture. Of course, we got some garlic up there. We got some salt and pepper. I ain't gonna tell you all the rest, but you could use sazon, you can use paprika, something to give it that red flavoring. So we gotta get that coating together. If you're not messing with some panko or some other type of bread and that come pre-packaged, you're gonna do it fresh like I'm doing. I use as a base crackers. Add that seasoning in there to add some additional flavor. Whatever your choice is, just get it together, potato chips, whatever you want to do. But you need that crispiness, that coating to cover that and give it that flavor and that feel of something that's really fried. Once you got your batter, you get to mixing it up. You want to dip that cauliflower in the batter, then you want to take it out and put it in your coating. That coating is going to give it that crispy taste you want, that texture. So you simply put it over here how I'm doing in a bowl, mix it up a little bit, make sure you cover it as much as possible. That's the key, you want this thing covered. because you want that crispiness and that flavor to be all over. That flavor is gonna be underneath it and that crunchiness on the outside. Next thing we gotta do is get our hot oil ready. Whatever oil is your preference, I don't know, vegetable, olive, whatever. Once it's steaming hot, you get to dropping them in there. See that sizzling? That's what you wanna see. You want that thing popping. That's right, we fill that pan all the way up. We don't play no games. We ain't wasting nothing. Fill it all the way up, boom. Once you got it filled, you need to have your grease cover. I use those to keep that grease from popping up on you. You don't need that in your life, so if you ain't got one, just stand back and watch. It's gonna take you a few minutes till you see they brown and well done. You choose how long you want them. You want them fried hard? We're gonna speed this video up right now for y'all. Take them things out. You definitely gotta put them on some type of napkin or something, get that oil up out of there. We ain't trying to get no heart attack.
So here's a simple salad. Hope you like it. And these are going to be the ingredients that we put inside of the salad. So what we have here is we have onions. We have cucumbers. You can cut them however you like. This is the way how we like to cut them. And then we also have green olives. And then we have cherry tomatoes. So that's all of the ingredients that we have for the salad. Now for our choice of greens, we went with baby spinach. Now you can also use romaine, lettuce, whatever greens you like. But we like baby spinach, so that's what we went with. Now in the place of the dressing for the salad, we're using hummus, and this particular one is roasted pine nut hummus. They have many different types of hummus, so you can use whatever type of hummus you prefer. Now next, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna be cooking the onions for maybe under 3 minutes. Sometimes we use raw onions in it. These are also gonna be sauteed onions with a little sea salt and pepper on it. And I cook them, like I said, for under 3 minutes. Just want to get them to brown up just a little bit. A little bit of that fried onion taste in the salad. So now we're going to mix everything all together. Gonna add our cucumbers. We're gonna mix it together a little bit. You might wanna dig in there and use your hands. Obviously make sure your hands are clean. Everything has been pre-washed, hands have been cleaned before we started the video. And now we're gonna add our cherry tomatoes. Just to give it a little color. Very pretty red, nice on the eyes. People eat with their eyes, so. Then we're gonna add our green olives. I'm gonna stop and mix this together a little bit more. Okay. And then we're also gonna add a little ground pepper and sea salt in the salad as well. And you can add as much of that as you like. So we're probably gonna add that maybe 2 or 3 times throughout the salad. Then we're gonna mix it together again. just want to really make sure you get in there and mix it very well. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Now for our fried onions. Now let me add, for this particular recipe, I normally would use fried mushrooms as well, but we didn't have any mushrooms. That's really good if you have the mushrooms, but we're gonna go with what we got right now. And then you're gonna add a little bit more sea salt if you like, and more ground pepper. And we're gonna get in there and mix this all together once more. See that? Look at the color. Fried onions, olives, cucumbers. I'm telling you guys, it's really good. You gotta try it. So there you have it. So now for the finished products.
Peace. Now we back at y'all. Hip Hop Vegan, Shanna G. Y'all done got through it. You seen what was going down. Gave y'all a little video footage of the frying. We gave y'all a little video footage of the tossing of the salad. How we breaded the hip hop cauliflower wings. And now I'm gonna get to it because I love this and I'm hungry. So right here, we got what y'all done seen. We got a little close up. Got 4 wings right there. We got the salad. Looking exclusive, gourmet, made by the queen. So I'm gonna do the salad first, because you know, when you go in a restaurant, you get that 3-4 course meal, they start with the salad. So we at home, but we do the same thing.
I'm gonna let him taste everything because we've made this like a million times. So he's really hungry. So
crazy. What's ill about this is for years, you know, I've been vegan now since 2000. But I really didn't just get into salads until I started, you know, me and Shanna became an item, you know. So we've been together 5 years. So, you know, you learn and, you know, through love, so to speak. And she makes some good salads. And what's ill about this, though, what I would have never thought is crazy because I love hummus, but I never thought about putting hummus as an alternate for a salad dressing. So that was a good move.
thank you,
I don't know,
babe.
how you come up with that?
Watching some of my favorite vegan channels on YouTube. One of my favorite vegan families that I like to watch. Instead of them using dressing one day, I saw her using hummus. And I was like, you know, that looks like it could be, you know, very tasty. So I'm going to try that. So I tried it. And ever since then, you know, we fell in love with the hummus.
Yeah, it's serious.
So I had to make my vegan toast, hummus toast for you guys one day too.
Oh yeah, that's official. Yeah. It's official tissue. Another thing that's different about this salad, what Shanna do a lot, is the salads are fresh and raw, but she always seemed to add 1 or 2 different things in it that's cooked. So this has got onions in it that's sauteed. And for me, this crazy when I just look back in hindsight, because before I became a vegan, I used to hate onions. It was wild. So even when I became a vegan, my family, they was like, "How you gonna become a vegan? You don't even like onions. You don't even like certain vegetables." I used to eat this wild. So this is ill though, because you got, like I said, a little cooked vegetable in there along with the raw ones. So how you come up with that?
Come up with what?
The idea the cooked onions in there,
The cooked onions.
sauteing.
Again, one of my favorite vegan families I like to watch on YouTube. I believe their channel is Shine with Plants, and they cook the onions. And I'm a fan of onions, so I don't see how he didn't like onions. That's a major tragedy in my life that he didn't like onions, but I'm so happy he likes them now because I put onions on everything. But this particular family, she cooks the onions for maybe less than 2 minutes. And then this salad most of the time when I make it, I put mushrooms in it as well too, baby bella mushrooms. I didn't have any mushrooms today, but usually I cook the onions and the mushrooms for a little less than 3 minutes, or however long you prefer, how you like your onions and mushrooms cooked. And I saw her doing it, and I just happened to try it one day in my salad, and I really like it with the hummus.
You pulled the Jack move on the onions. That's cool.
Well,
Because you don't got no monopoly on a recipe.
Yeah, exactly.
Food been around for decades. Right. We're going to take it. We're going to flip it. During slavery, they gave us scraps. We made it into cuisine.
Yeah, so, she shares. I'm happy that this particular family shares their recipes because I learned a lot from them. Yeah. So,
and that's what That's what we trying to do. Share, show you what we do, and you see if it worked for you. So this is it right here. Yeah, I'll close up on that. Ain't serious. I already know what it be about, but matter of fact, let me get it right. Let this go on there. That's right. Here you go. Good old hot sauce. She don't mess with the hot sauce.
I don't do the hot sauce, everybody. I usually do maybe some type of barbecue sauce. I like the sweet barbecue sauce, so usually I'll do that, and I use that as a dipping sauce. But sometimes he makes a really good like honey mustard sauce that I like to use. But
it don't got honey in it because it's not vegan. I'll put y'all on that recipe later.
Right.
So this is hot sauce on there.
How is it, babe?
You already know how it is.
We made this for family members before too, for my parents and for my aunt and her husband. And everybody really likes it, and my brother really likes it too. So.
And none of them are vegan.
And none of them are vegan, yeah. So this is a major hit right here with this cauliflower, and I love it. We make it a lot.
See, the thing about this, well, first the cauliflower, the texture is crazy. It's it's got a little crunch to it, but it's soft enough or whatever. But what I tell people all the time when they ask about vegan food, they don't understand that if you cooking with the same seasonings and flavorings that you putting on a dead animal, you're going to get the same flavor because the dead animal don't have nothing. All you're doing is taking vegetables, herbs, garlic, and all of those things that come from the earth and putting it on top of that. So why not just take those things and put it on something else that come from the earth? And that's how you get this. You use the same type of batter that you would do for fried chicken or fish, whatever's your preference. I just showed you what I did, and I didn't give you all of the secrets because, like I said, you do what you do, and that's the key to this. You're gonna get the same type of feel as if you did with any of the things that you would have put traditionally on. So, it's serious.
Some good info, babe.
Yeah. So once again, try not to talk with my mouth. Well, my mouth full. My mom slapped flames out of me for that.
Really hungry, y'all. He's really hungry.
But yeah, this is it.
It's hip hop vegan approved.
This is definitely hip hop vegan approved, hip hop vegan loved, and this is what it is. But I'm about to leave y'all because I'm gonna need to bust this down, and I don't want to be on the camera.
And also make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. We need the support.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
Peace.